Skoperta ġdida minn grupp ta' Dasa kif madwar 3 km il barra mid-Dragonara instabet opra tal-Baħar Marqa. Mhux magħruf l-isem ta' din id-dajsa li x'aktarx kienet taħdem bl-istim jew meta u għaliex din erqet. L-addas Jeannot Quenzel li sab dan is-sit u kien l-ewwel li niżel fil-post flimkien ma' Scott McGart jispjega li l-fdalijiet huma sinifikanti.
It's wonderful, especially something that's very close to shore in a very populated and frequented body of water, not too deep. That's absolutely amazing. And it's not a small wreck. It's 40 meters long, probably 12 meters wide. It appears to be a steam workboat, possibly made before Second World War, active in the war.
Kmini dal-għodu fil-post niżel l-ewwel grupp ta' Dasa, iffurmat mill-istess Jeannot Quenzel u akkumpanjat minn Chris Heidkemper, Imad Kasfeh, Ken Atkinson u Simon Hanrahan. Madankollu s'issa d-dettalji dwar din l-opra tal-baħar għadhom minimi kif l-isem tad-dajsa ma nstabx u m'hemm l-ebda indikazzjoni ta' dati.
It's a workboat, it has tires on it. So the first thing I was thinking was dates on tires. They always have manufacturing dates. That gives us a rough idea when it sank, and also looking around for plates.
Il-ħidma ta' esplorazzjoni dwar dan is-sit ġiet sponsorjata minn Dive Systems u s-sejba kienet irrappurtata lill-awtoritajiet immedjatament.